DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's up? It's your boy DJ Delz. We have got the Mr. Bean Chase and Common. I'm going to do an out-of-the-box review on both of them. Please, right now, hit that thumbs up button. Show that love and support. Doing that just motivates me, so don't be too cool for school. We love that Funko Pop. Show that support. Bang! Hit that thumbs up. Definitely happy to get both of them. I was so happy that I was able to hunt these two down. So this right here is the Chase with the turkey on the head. Funny scene. It's Christmas and he's getting everything together. Actually, before this whole turkey scene, he's got his teddy right there, his teddy bear. And in Mr. Bean, he kind of acts like, you know, the teddy bear is like alive, like it's a real bear. So in the morning when they're opening up the Christmas gifts, Teddy gets some new eyes, which was awesome on the Christmas episode. But when it comes down to this scene right here with the turkey, he's getting the turkey ready. He's got this enormous turkey. I've never seen a turkey as big as the one that was on Mr. Bean. He's getting it all together. He's in the kitchen. He's going to stuff it. He's got a bowl of stuffing. So he's stuffing the turkey. He pulls his arm out, and then his watch drops inside of the turkey. He starts looking inside of the turkey. He's putting his head in a little bit. The doorbell rings or knocks. He lifts his head up. The turkey's stuck on his head. Funny scene. If you've never heard of Mr. Bean before, search it on YouTube. You'll be able to watch tons of episodes. I always loved that little car he drove. And, you know, I grew up watching Mr. Bean. Very funny. And I definitely love collecting Funko Pops that remind me of my childhood and, you know, my teenage years. Like, I just absolutely love it. So, happy to have both of them. And let's take them out of the box. Bang! Both of them out of the box. They look awesome. Let's focus first on the Chase. I love how his hands are out, like he's trying to figure out where he is in the house. Basically, when the doorbell rings, he throws like a blanket or something over his head to hide from the guest that he has a turkey over his head. Lets her in, and she walks right in. She has some mistletoe in her hand, so she's like hanging it up, trying to prep so, like, you know, she can get that kiss going with the mistletoe. He's in the other room trying to figure things out, but at the same time, you know, you can't see nothing. So I like how he has his hands out like that. I think that's really great. There is a side profile. There is a look at his back. There is a look at his other side. Let's take a look at the Common with Teddy. Teddy's in a bunch of episodes. There was one episode I liked where he brought Teddy to this dog show and he tried to enter Teddy into the dog show. It was a funny episode. You know, the thing about this show, for people that are new to it, he doesn't really speak much, but the way he acts, facial expressions, it just does so much, man. I mean, he's just a funny looking guy in general too. Super talented, and as I said, I mean, I'm a huge fan of Mr. Bean from when I was a kid. There's a look at his side. There is a look at his back. There's a look at his other side. One thing, surprisingly, with both of them, they do not come with stands, but at the same time, they actually balance very well, especially the Chase, which I'm a little shocked about, being that it's so top heavy. It does balance very well. And there you go, with a close-up HD look at the Chase and the Common version. They are available now. I will link them in the description box below if you're looking for them, along with a ton of other Funko Pops that I think you're going to want to lock in. There's a whole lot that are available now for pre-order for the New York Toy Fair, 2019 New York Toy Fair. And I mean, we're talking like 30, 40 Funko Pops. Amazing ones, from Ghostbusters to The Simpsons to Kiss to even like rap groups like Migos. So definitely check out all of them. They are available for pre-order. I will link down in the description box below, along with a ton of others, guaranteed mint condition. I highly recommend going there. So that will be in the description box for your convenience. Let me know some of your favorite Mr. Bean moments. I would love to know. And if you've never seen Mr. Bean, let me know in the comments. I've never seen it. Also, let me know in the comments if there's any Funko Pops you're looking for. Maybe I could help you out. Maybe someone else could help you out. Right now, I am looking for the Skeletor, metallic Skeletor Gemini exclusive. They keep posting it online and I keep striking out. I have to get this for the collection. I'm trying to collect all the villains and I need that metallic one from Masters of the Universe. So if you want to make a trade with me, hit me up on my Instagram over at RealDJDelz, Real DJ DELZ, or over at Delz Toy Show, either or. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone have a great day and happy hunting out there. We out.